Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to block websites in Google Chrome browser. Google Chrome has tons of extensions that can be added to the browser to customize our experience. Suppose if you want to block any website not suitable to your kids or employees from your workplace, we can block them directly using a simple extension in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Now we can browse any website. To block any website, click on Customize and Control Google Chrome. Navigate to More Tools and from the options, please select Extensions. Then it will open Google Chrome Extensions. In this, come to Main menu and click on Open Chrome Web Store showing in bottom. Then it will open Google Chrome Web Store where we can download extensions and themes. In search, please type block sites and hit enter. From various extension list, click on Add to Chrome next to Block Site, a website blocker for Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Now it will download the extension for this Chrome. Then it will open Block Site page. Here we need to enter the websites that we want to block. After entering the address, click on plus. Similarly, I am entering google.com. After this, let's try to open Facebook and Google. And it is showing you put google.com in your block sites list. Similarly, open Facebook. Again, to unlock them, come to block site page. In this, please click on minus sign within the red circle. Now let's try to open the websites. And if you want to remove this extension, again click on Customize and Control Google Chrome. Come to More Tools, select Extensions. In this, click on Remove Showing for Block Site. Like this, we can block websites in Google Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video to your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.